host starting strong. The judge just dropped a bomb. Normally this would mean jail time, but he's hinting at an alternative. Stick around, because this could get very interesting.
Here's what I'm going to do. Typically, if someone tests positive for what you tested positive for, they'd be going to jail today. But I'm not going to do that, but I am going to order some very specific bond conditions. Good morning. Are you Precious Eaglin? And Miss Eaglin is charged with assault, sir, in 25 GCCR 0317 and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon in 250318. Mr. Rojas, what is...
Quick legal note: when you hear multiple charges rattled off like that, it's serious business. Assault on a peace officer alone is a felony in most states, and adding a deadly weapon, that's a legal mountain to climb.
The announcement.
Judge, I'm asking for another announcement document to see if it wants to come in and look at the videos.
Okay. Anything you're waiting on?
Them, I don't know if I think they came in Friday, so I haven't had a chance to look at them.
Okay. So, Ms. Eaglin, I'm going to reset your case for about 30 days. It's important that you call this week, make an appointment to go visit with Mr. Rojas so you can see all the evidence and discovery that he has, and we'll get an announcement at the next court date. The who? Oh, okay. Sure, if you'll just...
I didn't even know that I could even look at a video. I don't remember what's going on.
Well, here's what you need to do. The way that you find out what's going on is to call Mr. Rojas and go sit with him in his office, and he'll go over everything. He'll go over what the state has given him. He'll go over what your options are, make sure you understand that. But that's you're not expected to understand it all until you go talk to your attorney. That's what he's here for.
Yes, ma'am. That being said, I'm supposed to know, but we never once talked about that.
He just got the video, okay? So if I test you this morning, you're gonna have anything in your system?
Pause for a second. This is the judge setting up a drug test on the spot. No warning, no delay. If you've been following courtroom cases, you know that's a bold move to check credibility immediately.
Let's double check that. Have a seat in the jury box. This is Mr. Nichols on Precious Eaglin again, y'all. Yes, sir.
Judge, I was speaking with Ms. Eaglin in the jury box, and she indicated she wanted to address the court again about the drug use.
Okay.
Okay, honestly, forgive me for I'm not telling you the truth. Just today, I lost my mother. It'll be a year. I'm not using it as an excuse, but I've been reaching out to her. If I go talk to my caseworker and stuff like that, I'm going through therapy. Like, man,
what are you going to test positive?
Kill myself.
Listen, what are you going to test?
Okay, confession time. This is the emotional pivot of the case. The defendant admits to relapsing on PCP, and here's the kicker. She had been clean for 2 years. That's not just legal trouble, that's a human struggle playing out in real time.
Positive for.
For PCP. I relapsed on PCP. I've been clean. I had a sponsor. I've been clean on PCP for 2 years. And I just felt like I couldn't take none of this. And that's why I was asking, even out there, because I've been my people that I'm seeing, those Saiga is out of Houston. So I had been set up everything with my son and my fiance to keep my kids, because I really need to go get me some help. I feel like I'm on a breaking point.
All right, hang on a second.
May I inquire Judge how she got here this morning?
Yeah, how'd you get here?
My nephew, he outside.
Okay. You didn't drive?
No.
When's the last time you used?
It's been going on like a week or so. So I had to go and like detox for a couple of days. I just did it by myself so I could start taking my medication.
Where's, would you call and get, have a seat in the jury box. I'm going to have somebody come talk to you, and then we'll decide what to do after that. All right? So, hang on. So, Ms. Eaglin, you were truthful in what you tested positive for, okay? Here's what I'm going to do. Typically, if someone tests positive for what you tested positive for, they'd be going to jail today. But I'm not going to do that, but I am going to order some very specific bond conditions. One of those is that you are...
Notice this: rather than jail, the judge orders a drug patch. It's like a wearable probation officer that tracks your drug use 24/7. This shows the court is focusing on rehabilitation instead of just punishment.
We're going to have to get a drug patch. You have 24 hours to get that. Your bondsman can let you know where to get it. It's a patch that you wear on your arm. You have to get it changed every 2 weeks. It's obviously going to test positive this first time, but it needs to test negative after that. Do you understand? And also, I'm going to order, at least for now, that you are not allowed to drive. Okay? You need to get a ride until you test negative for a little while. Okay. And then you're gonna have you visit with the people you're gonna visit with this morning, hopefully get a plan together, and as a condition of your bond, you're gonna be ordered to follow whatever plan. Make appointments, go to Spindletop, do whatever you need to do, okay? Because we want to get you back on the right path so we can take care of your case. So, well, they're gonna give you some resources and where to go to try to get some help so that you can kind of get yourself together so you can work with Mr. Rojas and get your case taken care of, okay? It's okay. So look, have a seat over there, but make sure between today and tomorrow you get that drug patch put on. They have a list over there. Okay. That's where you can get it taken care of. So when you're done with court, find out where you can get it taken care of and get that on before tomorrow, okay?
And that's the closer sources, a plan and a second chance. What do you think? Should the judge have been this lenient, or is this a risky gamble? Let us know in the comments.
All right, just have a seat back in the jury box until you visit with Spindletop, please. Thank you, Mr. Rojas.